Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Classes. So today in this video I am going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 9C of chapter Matrices. So let's start from question number 1, evaluate if possible. So you can see here that 3 subparts are given to us. So before solving these 3 parts, you should know the basic rule how to multiply two matrices together. So here the rule is that the number of column of the first matrix should be always equals to the number of rows of second matrix. So here this is the basic rule to multiply two matrices together, and here the condition is that the number of column of the first matrix, you will see here, this is your first matrix, should be always equals to the number of the rows of the second matrix. So here if the same condition satisfied for all these 3 parts, then you can say yes, the multiplication is possible, otherwise not. So here if you see the same condition in the first part, you will see here number of column of the first matrix. Here it is the first matrix, so in this case number of column are 2. You will see this is column 1 and this is column 2 is equals to number of row of second matrix, and here again in second matrix this is row 1 and this is row 2. So it means that number of column is equals to number of row. So yes, here the multiplication is possible. So first part yes, and now you have to multiply both the matrix together. So here the condition is that row multiply by column. So here row multiply by column means 3, this is the row 3, 2 and this is the first column 2, 0. So you will make a bracket here. So 3 multiplied by 2 plus this 2 multiplied by 0, and your answer is 6 plus 2. Now moving to second part. In second part again you will see this is the first matrix. So here number of column are 2 and here the number of rows are again 2. So it means number of column is equals to number of row. So yes, in this case again the multiplication is possible. So now we have to find out the answer. Again we have to follow the same rule. Row multiply by first column, then again row multiply by second column. So here first mark the bracket. So 1 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 2 plus minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 2. You write here plus 2. In the similar way, the same row multiplied by second column. So 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 plus minus 2 multiplied by 4 is minus 8. Now close the bracket. So your answer is minus 2 plus 2 is 0 and 3 minus 8 is minus 5. This is your answer. Now moving to the third part. So again you will see here in this third part, this is the first matrix and this is second matrix. So here in the first matrix this is column 1, this is column 2. In second matrix this is row 1 and this is row 2. So it means that the number of column in the first matrix is equals to number of row in the second matrix. So yes, third part also the multiplication is possible. Now we have to find out the answer. Again the same rule, row multiply by column, then again second row multiply by column. Right. So here first mark the bracket. So 6 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 6. Again 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. In the similar way, 3 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 is minus 3. And then close the bracket. So finally your answer is minus 6 plus 12 is 6. And this is minus plus is minus. So minus 3 is minus 6. This is your answer. So you will see that in this question number 1, all the 3 parts multiplication is possible. So please have a look. Moving to question number 2, you can see here the matrix A is given and the matrix B is given, and I is a unit matrix of order 2 cross 2. So find the value of, you can see here all the 4 parts are given to us. So let's start solving from the first part. So here AB means you have to multiply both the matrix A and B. So the matrix A is 0, 2, 5 and minus 2. Multiply by the matrix B, 1, 3, minus 1 and 2. So you will see that this order of this given matrix is 2 cross 2 because the number of row and number of columns are same. Same way here the order is again 2 cross 2. So now we will multiply both the matrix. So the rule is that row multiply by column. So 0 multiply by 1, first mark the bracket. 0 multiply by 1 is 0 plus 2 multiply by 3 is 6. The same way, the same row multiply by second column. Now 0 multiply by minus 1 is again 0 and this 2 multiply by 2 is 4. Close the bracket. Same way, now come to second row. Now second row multiply by the first column. Now 5 multiply by 1 is 5 plus minus 2 multiply by 3 is minus 6. Same way, the same row multiply by second column, right? So 5 multiply by minus 1 is minus 5 and minus 2 multiply by 2 is minus 4. So your answer is 0 plus 6 is 6, 0 plus 4 is 4. This is plus minus minus. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1 and minus minus is plus. So 5 plus 4 is 9. This is minus 9. This is your answer. Now moving to second part. So here again in second part you have to find the value of BA. So the matrix B is 1, 3, minus 1, 2 and the matrix A is 0, 5, 2 and minus 2. You will see here again this matrix B order is 2 cross 2 and in the similar way matrix A order is 2 cross 2. So finally your answer will be also of the same order 2 cross 2. Right. So now we will start solving it. The same rule, row multiply by column. Make a bracket here. So 1 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus minus 1 multiplied by 5 is minus 5. The same row multiplied by second column. Now 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 plus minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is 2. Close the bracket. Same 3 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Again the same row multiplied by second column. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4. Now this is plus minus is minus. So 0 minus 5 is minus 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 10 is 10. Plus minus is minus. So 6 minus 4 is 2. This is your answer. Now moving to the third part. So here third part is AI now. First of all the matrix A is 0, 2, 5, minus 2. Now multiply by the I matrix. So here I, as it is given that I is a unit matrix of order 2 cross 2. Right. So here the I matrix will be 0, 1. This is 1, 0, 0 and 1. Right. Now multiply both the matrix. Row multiply by column. 0 into 1 is 0 and 2 into 0 is 0. Same way 0 into 0 is 0 and 2 into 1 is 2. Now this row multiply by the first column. So 5 into 1 is 5 and minus 2 plus minus 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. Same way 5 into 0 is 0 and minus 2 multiplied by 1 is minus 2. So your answer is 0, this is 5, this is 2, this is minus 2. This is your answer. Now moving to the last part, that is the fourth part. So here you will see this fourth part and this third part are similar. In third part it is AI and the fourth part is IB. So student, this fourth part is your homework. Please do it by yourself. If you have any query, any doubt, please you can comment me in the comment section below. So directly I am moving to the fifth part, that is the last part. So let's start solving this. So here this is A square. So A square means you write the matrix, you write the same matrix 2 times. So here the matrix A is 0, 5, 2 and minus 2. Okay, one second, I am writing this side. We can write A dot A because A dot A means A square. So 0, this is 2, this is 5 minus 2, multiply by 0 to 5 minus 2. Now again row multiply by column. So 0 into 0 is 0, and this is 2 into 5 is 10. 0 into 2 is 0, and 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Now 5 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. Same way 5 into 2 is 10, and minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 4. So your answer is, this is 10, this is minus 10, this is minus 4, this is 14. This is your answer. This is question number 2, all the parts, so please have a look. Now moving to question number 3. A is equals to 3x01 and b is equals to 9, 0, 16 minus y. Find the value of x and y, and here the condition is a square equals to b. So first of all write the same thing as it is. This is a square equals to b. So here a square means we will multiply the same matrix 2 times, right? So here the matrix A is 3x01 multiplied by the same matrix 3x01 is equals to the matrix B 9, 0, 16 and minus y. Now again row multiply by column. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 plus x multiplied by 0 is 0. Right. In the similar way, the same row multiplied by second column. 3 multiplied by x is 3x plus x multiplied by 1 is x. Same way, second row multiplied by first column. 0 multiplied by 3 is 0, and 1 multiplied by 0 is again 0. 0 multiplied by x is 0, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So finally your answer is, this is 9. 3x plus x is 4x, and 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. Now this thing is equals to, you write the same matrix as it is, 16 minus y. Same way 9, 16, 0 and minus y. Now after this, if you will compare both the matrix, you have to just compare the same terms together. You will see this 4x is equals to 16. So we can easily find the value of x now. So from this equation, the value of x is 4. Right. In the similar way, if I compare the last term with this last term, so here 1 is equals to minus y. So it means the value of y is minus 1. This is your answer. So therefore, the value of x is 4 and the value of y is minus 1. This is your question number 3. So please have a look. Now moving to question number 4. Find x and y if, you can see here the matrix is given to you, and in this case we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start solving it. So row multiply by column. So 4 into 5, this is 20, plus 3x multiply by 1, this is 3x. Now second row multiply by the same column. So x into 5, you will get 5x, plus minus 2 into 1, this is minus 2. Close the bracket, and this is equals to y 8. Right. Now in the similar way, you have to compare the same terms together. So this is 20 plus 3x is equals to y, and 5x, this is plus minus, is minus 2 is equals to 8. You have to directly compare the same terms together like this. So from this equation we can easily find the value of x. This 5x is equals to, this minus 2 will go this side. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Therefore the value of x is 2. You simplify 5 and 10, you will get 2. Right. Now from this equation we can easily find the value of y. But in place of x you have to put here 2. So 20 plus, so 3x means 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to y. So 20 plus 6 is equals to y. So here 20 plus 6 is 26. So therefore the value of y is 26. This is the question number 4, first part. Now moving to its second part. You can see here the same matrix is given to us and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start solving this. Same way, row multiply by column. So x into 1, x, 0 into 0, this is 0. X into 1 is x and 0 into y is 0. Now second row multiply by the first column. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 and 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 and 1 into y is y is equals to 2 minus 3, 2 and minus 2. Right. Now again x plus 0 is x, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3, x plus 0 is x and this is minus 3 plus y and this is equals to 2 minus 3, 2 and minus 2. Right. Now again in the similar way you have to compare the same terms together. You will see the value of x is 2. Right. And now if you have to find the value of y, you will compare the last term. This is minus 3 plus y is equals to minus 2. So y is equals to minus 2. This minus 3 will go to this side, become plus 3. So therefore the value of y is 1. This is your answer. This is question number 4, first part and second part. So please have it. Now moving to question number 5. If a is equals to 1, 3, 2, 4 and b is equals to 1, 2, 4, 3 and c is equals to 4, 3, 1, 2. So find the value of a, b, c. And second part is also there, and also you have to verify that both the values are equal or not. So let's start solving the first part. So here AB, so here AB means you have to multiply both the matrix. So write 1, 3, 2, 4 multiplied by 1, 2, 4, 3 and then you have to multiply it by 4, 3, 1 and 2. So row multiply by column. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 plus 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Again 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Same way second row multiplied by the first column. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. And this is multiplied by 4, 1, 3 and 2. Right. Now next step, 12 plus 1, this is 13, 9 plus 2 is 11, 16 plus 2 is 18 and 12 plus 4 is 16. Now this matrix will get multiplied by 4, 3, 1 and 2. Now again first row multiply by first column. So 13 multiplied by 4, this is 52. Plus 11 multiplied by 1 is 11. Again the same row multiplied by second column. 13 multiplied by 3 is 39. Plus 11 multiplied by 2 is 22. Now second row multiplied by the first column. 18 multiplied by 4 is 72. Plus 16 multiplied by 1 is 16. Same way 18 multiplied by 3 is 54. Plus 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. So finally your answer is 52 plus 11, this is 63. Same way 39 plus 22, this is 11, 61. Same way here you have to add both the numbers. So this is 88 and here this is 86. So from the first part, we got the answer is 63, 61, 88 and 86. Right. Now moving to second part, let's see whether in second part the answer is same or not. Let's start solving this. So here the matrix A is 1, 3, 2, 4 and the matrix B is 1, 2, 4, 3 multiplied by the matrix 4, 3, 1, 2. Now in this case this matrix will be as it is, 1, 3, 2, 4 will be as it is. So here you need to multiply both the matrix. So row multiply by column. So 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Again 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. In the similar way second row multiply by first column. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 plus 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Now 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. This 1, 3, 2, 4 will be as it is. Now here 4 plus 2, this is 6. 16 plus 3, 19. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 12 plus 6 is 18. Right. Now the last step again, you need to multiply row, multiply by column. So 1 multiplied by 6 is 6 plus 3 multiplied by 19 is 57. Right. Now 1 multiplied by 7 is 7 plus 3 multiplied by 18 is 54. In the similar way, second row multiplied by the first column. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12 and 4 multiplied by 19 is 76. Same here, 2 multiplied by 7 is 14 plus 4 multiplied by 18 is 72. So finally you have to add both the values. So 6 plus 57 is, this is 63. 7 plus 54 is 61. 76 plus 12 is 88 and 72 plus 14 is 86. So you will see now the first part answer was this 63, 61, 88 and 86. In the similar way, second part answer is also the same. You can compare both the answers, you will see that both the answers are same. So yes, we can say that this ABC is equals to ABC. Right. This is question number 5. So please have a look. Now moving to question number 6. You will see here A is equals to 0, 4, 6, 3, 0, minus 1. B is equals to 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 5, minus 6. So here you have to find out that these values are possible or not. Okay, the question is this possible? So it means the multiplication is possible or not. So here let's start solving from the first part. So AB means here write the A matrix 0, 3, 4, 0, 6, minus 1 multiplied by the B matrix 0, minus 1, minus 5, 1, 2 and minus 6. Right. So in the question number 1 only I have told you that there is a certain rule that whether this multiplication is possible or not, and that rule is the number of column of the first matrix is always equals to number of row of the second matrix. So here column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3 is equals to row 1, row 2 and this is row 3. So yes, this is possible. It means the multiplication is possible because here the number of row, the number of column is equals to number of row. Right. So let's start multiplying it. First row multiply by the first column. 0 into 0 is 0 plus 4 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 6 into minus 5 is minus 30. Same way 0 into 1 is 1, 4 into 2 is 8 and 6 into 6 is minus 36. Now second row multiply by the first column. 3 into 0 is 0, 0 into minus 1 is 0 and minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. 3 into 1 is 3, 0 into 2 is 0 and minus 1 into minus 6 is plus 6. So your answer is this is minus 1 minus 30, this is 5, this is 8 plus 1 is 9 minus 36 and this is 3 plus 6. So finally your answer is this minus minus is plus, this is minus 31, this is 5, this is 9 minus 36 is, this is 27, minus 27 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So hence this is your answer. Going to second part. So your second part is BA. So if I write the same matrix B, 0, minus 1, minus 5, 1, 2 and minus 6 multiplied by the matrix A, 0, 3, 4, 0, 6 and minus 1. So here the rule is that the column of the first matrix, this is column 1, this is column 2 and for second matrix, this is row 1 and this is row 2. So it means that the number of column of the first matrix is equals to number of rows of the second matrix. So yes, in this case also this multiplication is possible. Now moving to the third part, this is A square. So here A square means A multiplied by A, and the A matrix is 0, 3, 4, 0, 6 minus 1 multiplied by the same matrix 4, 0 and 6 minus 1. So here you will see this is the first matrix. So here 3 columns are there, column 1, column 2 and column 3. But in the second matrix you will see there are only 2 rows. This is the first row and this is the second row. Right. So in this case the rule is not satisfied, because here the number of columns are 3 and the number of rows are 2. So it means not equal. So hence we can write no, this multiplication is not possible. So this is your question number 6 on 3 parts. So please have a look. Now moving to question number 7. So here again you can see A matrix is given, B is also given and C is given. You have to find the value of A square plus AC minus 5B. So let's start solving it. So here A square means you write the same matrix 2 times. 2, 0, 1, minus 2 multiplied by 2, 0, 1 and minus 2 plus AC. So AC means here first of all write the A matrix 2, 0, 1, minus 2 multiplied by the C matrix minus 3, minus 1, 2 and 4. This is minus 5 multiplied by B matrix. So here B matrix is 4, minus 3, 1 and minus 2. Right. So now multiply. So row multiplied by column. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 0 into 2 is 0 plus minus 2 into 0 is again 0. 0 into 1 is 0 and minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Same way row into column. So 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 2 is 4 and 1 into 4 is 4. Same way 0 into minus 3 is 0. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. 0 into 2 is 0 and 2 into 4 is minus 8. Now 5 into 4 is 20. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into minus 3 is 15 and 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. So here now next step 4 plus 0 is 4. This is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 0 plus 4 is 4. Now this one is minus 6 plus minus is minus. So minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 0 minus 8 is minus 8. Now minus, this is 20, this is minus 15, this is 5 and this is minus 10. Right. Now here this is the addition sign. So it means you have to add both the values. 4 minus 7 minus 3, 0 plus 8, this is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2 and 4 minus 8 is minus 4. And this is minus sign. This is 20, this is 5, this is minus 15 and this is minus 10. Right. Now the last step, in this case you have to subtract both the values. So here you will see this is minus 3, this is minus 20. So minus minus is plus. So 20 plus 3 is 23. The first value is 23 and here sign is minus sign. So minus 23. Same way this is 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 2, this is minus minus plus. So 2 plus 15 is 17. And same way this is minus and minus is plus. So minus 4 plus 10. So minus 4 plus 10 is 6. Close the bracket. This is your answer. This is question number 7. So please have a look.